Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy with cotton. Begin by preparing clean, untreated cotton and a candy sugar mix and heat your spinner to medium. Quickly shred the cotton into fine strands, then gently tap against the spinning head to catch sugar threads. Rotate a cone slowly to build layers, keeping movement steady and patient. Finish by trimming stray fibers and serving immediately to enjoy fresh, airy cotton candy. I'll walk you through the tools, safety tips, and step-by-step technique for turning ordinary cotton into fluffy cotton candy. Use food-safe, untreated cotton and fine granulated sugar or flossing sugar for best texture. I'll explain spinner settings, cone technique, and how to avoid clumping or burning. We'll cover quick troubleshooting and how to flavor or color your cotton candy using food-grade extracts or powders, keeping everything safe and tasty for guests. Follow a clear sequence to make cotton candy from cotton safely and successfully. Start by sanitizing hands and equipment, then prepare fine sugar and set spinner to medium-high. Feed small amounts of shredded cotton near the spinner's head and rotate the cone to gather threads evenly. Maintain steady speed, replace cone if oversaturated, and cool cones briefly before serving. I'll also share quick fixes for sticky or sparse results to keep your treats perfect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.